Hi, my name is Victoria,
My name is Selena.
and we're here to tell you about property insurance and homeowners insurance. Property insurance is a policy that provides financial reimbursement to the owners or renters of a structure and its contents in the event of damage or theft. Personal property is generally covered by a homeowners or renters policy unless it is of particular high value, in which case it can usually be covered by purchasing an addition to the policy called a rider. If there's a claim, the property insurance policy will either reimburse the policyholder for the actual value of the damage or the replacement cost to remedy the damage. How it breaks down is
How it breaks down is the property or homeowner's insurance that you purchase covers your home in case of repair. Repairs typically covered by property insurance include damage caused by fire, etc. Property insurance also provides liability coverage in case someone other than the property owner or renter is injured while on the property and decides to sue. Property insurance policies normally do not cover water damage caused by floods, tsunamis, drain backups, sewer backups, groundwater seepage, standing water, and many other water sources. They also may not be covered mold, earthquakes, nuclear events, or act of war.
there classifications of homeowners property insurance. There are a few classes of homeowners insurance, but most homeowners purchase an HO3 policy, a hybrid policy, which covers personal property for physical loss or damage caused by up to 16 perils such as fire, vandalism, theft, etc., with certain conditions and exclusions. If you lose or damage any valuable collectible items, coverage would have a predetermined limit.
There are three types of property insurance coverage. The first is replacement cost. A replacement cost is the cost to replace an asset of a company at the same or equal value. The asset to be replaced could be a building, investment securities, accounts receivable, or lands. Replacement cost can change depending on changes in market value of the asset and any other costs required to prepare the asset for use. Next is actual cash value. Actual cash value is the amount equal to the replacement cost minus depreciation of a damaged or stolen property at the time of the loss. It is the actual value for which the property could be sold, which is always less than what it full costs to replace it. Then there is extended replacement cost. Extended replacement cost will pay over the coverage limit if the costs for construction have increased. This usually won't exceed 25% of the limit. When you obtain an insurance policy, the limit is the maximum amount of the benefits the insurance company will pay for a given situation or occurrence.
Homeowners insurance is a form of property insurance that covers losses and damage to an individual's house, and to assets in the home. Payments made towards a homeowner's insurance policy are usually included in the monthly payments of the homeowner's mortgage, or if you're a renter, in the rent. Homeowners insurance policies usually cover four types of incidents: interior damage, exterior damage, loss or damage of personal assets and belongings, and injury that arises while on the property. All of these claims usually required to pay a deductible. The higher the deductible on the insurance contract, the lower the monthly or annual premium on a homeowner's insurance policy. Homeowners insurance policy has a liability limit. The standard limits are usually set at $100,000, but the policyholder can opt for a higher limit. Earthquakes or floods are typically excluded from the standard homeowners insurance policies. However, most basic homeowners insurance policies do cover hurricanes and tornadoes. Homeowners insurance policies are different from home warranties. While a homeowner's insurance does not cover damages that result from poor maintenance, the home warranty does cover these type of issues. Another thing to make sure you look out for is the difference between homeowners insurance and mortgage insurance, which is typically taken on a home buyer making a down payment of less than 20% of the cost of the property. Basically, a homeowner's insurance protects the homeowner and the mortgage insurance protects the lender.